Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A bipartisan group of senators has introduced legislation to regulate Google and Apple's app stores, in the latest signal of the growing political will to loosen large tech companies' grip on smaller developers. China's central bank fanned expectations of further monetary policy easing, saying in its latest quarterly report that inflation pressures are controllable. Ripple has been making massive progress in the Asia-Pacific region with its RippleNet technology, despite its ongoing case in the United States with the SEC.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Finland's current account will be released at 500 GMT. The UK's manufacturing production at 600 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.